So you have a story idea in mind, but you don't exactly know how to get started. You probably came across this video looking for some tips or advice. And let me guess, you probably already heard, just get started. This piece of advice I consider to be similar to telling someone who wants to learn how to swim to jump into the deep end. While this may be an effective approach for some people, it is not for everyone. It is especially not for me. I hope this video can help serve as a guide to help you write your story. So then, to answer the question, how to get started? Get it on paper. Any and all ideas that you have in mind, get it on paper. This can be about anything that is related to the story that you want to write. Details about a character that you know you want in the story? Get it on paper. You know how a scene is going to happen? Get it on paper. If it has to do with your story, take notes of it. Most movies record their scenes out of order. You can write your story out of order as well. Take notes on all of these ideas and keep the notes together. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can be filled with spelling errors and inconsistencies. The important thing is that you write your idea down. Once you have gathered your ideas down onto notes, it is time to organize those notes. I recommend creating a flowchart for your story. This is how you make one. On the right side of your paper, write down the ending of your story. On the left side of your paper, write down the beginning of your story. And in between, you can fit in the scenes of your story where you know these events will take place. Right below the line is where you write down your scenes that you don't know where they are going to happen in your story just yet. This chart gives you a bird's eye view of your entire story and can help you determine where to have what scenes happen and when. You can change how your story is going to end later if that's what you decide. However, it is a good idea to have a general idea of what ending you are looking for so that you have something to write towards. Let this flowchart serve as a map for your story for when you are writing. Not only can this chart be used as a map, but when paired with your notes, can be used as your strongest tools. You may have other responsibilities that can prevent you from having the time to write. And that is okay. Keep your notes and your chart together. That way you have a clear picture of your idea ready, and you can make progress on your story on your own time. The point of your chart and your notes is so that you can return to your story when you are ready to write again. I can assure you from experience that this method works. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe for more writing-related tips and videos. And remember, fellow writers, never be afraid to break the rules of fiction.